All right, this is the American Lock 1100. And try and pick it open. There's that key. Really tricky bitting on there. See if we can get it. Starting from the back because of the really low cut third pin. So I gotta click at a 5, click at a 2, try and sneak past 3 to 4. Gave me a click and we got it open. Woo! Okay. Now, let me get my pinning tray, follower, tweezers. Go ahead and close this back up. Oh, screwdriver. 1 second. Okay. We're going to take our Phillips head screw out. That ball bearing was in the way. Couldn't get that screw out. Okay, what's going on here? Should I not have had the key in there? Okay. Let me start over here. I'm gonna give myself problems if I don't do this right, I think. Off to a wonderful start, as you can see. Okay, keys out. To think that picking this is gonna be the easiest part of all this. Oh Lord. Okay, there's our core. Okay, now put the key in. And take the C clip off. Okay. I'm gonna turn the key counterclockwise, quarter turn. Take my follower that my brother-in-law made me. Okay, there's our key pins. So we've got let me get them all out and then I'll show you with the camera. Okay, it's a serrated in 1, serrated in 2, serrated in 3, if I put the key in, these are going to be easier to get out. Yeah, probably just grab them. Yep, serrated in 4 and 5 is also serrated. So every one of these key pins are serrated. I don't know if I can just tip this up and show it on camera. That'll focus. Let me go ahead and get everything out here, and then we can have a little show and tell on this guy. Okay, now for our Bible here. Okay, serrated spool in 1. Get that spring out of there. On 2, serrated pin. Get our spring. 3 is a serrated spool. Come on out of there. Four, serrated. And last but not least, 5 is a serrated spool. Oh my goodness, this thing's loaded. And there's that spring. He did not want to come out. Okay. Let me turn the camera around here and show you what we got. Come on, focus in. Don't know why that won't focus. All right. Go ahead and get this all back together. This is the fun part now. Okay, so that little notch out there being the front of the lock, we're going to start from the back. So there are 6 holes, but this has only got 5 pins in it. So starting from the back, we're going to put our spring in like that. Get in there. And that's our serrated spool on 5. Okay, push our follower past it. Moving to 4. So our standard serrated on 4. Three is our serrated spool. Get him in there. Go on. Okay. On to 2, which is standard serrated. And 1. Springs in, serrated spool. Okay, we've got all our pins in the Bible. Now, let's get everything in the core here. So, serrated guys going in. That's a 0 cut on 1 and 3. Then you can see 4, tiny guy, and 5 is very high cut. It's got a red line on it. Okay, put our key in. Looks good. All right, now we need to turn this back into a lock. And here we go. Okay, everything's in. Let's lock it up. Okay, and it works. Let me get the C-clip on here. I'll just push him on with my fingers. Ugh. Is that on? Yep. All right, we're working. Put our core back in the lock. Faceplate on, nut, and our Phillips head screw. Okay, moment of truth. Locked it up. All right, that's my American 1100.